idea struck me on a bumpy ride on my way back to college. Uncomfortable as the ride was, I wondered, why not turn these uncomfortable rides into something productive? Why not turn the numerous jerks and jolts into volts?
Our idea aims to achieve three main objectives. 1. Generation of electricity within the car with minimal extra parts. 2. Reduce battery waste with increasing efficiency. And third, come up with an eco-friendly idea to generate electricity. This is how Pizok was born.
Pizok harnesses energy using the shock absorbers of a vehicle and it uses it through piezoelectric transducers.
A piezoelectric transducer converts mechanical stress to electricity. The application of pressure on the piezo cell deforms it, which in turn leads to the generation of a potential difference. The potential generated is alternating in nature, which after rectification is stored in a battery. The generation of the potential depends on the deformation, that is the strain, which depends on the applied pressure, the surface area of the piezo plate, the number of piezo plates in the assembly, and the frequency of the deforming vibration. The upper and the lower surface of the Pizok twin tube cylinder is fitted with piezoelectric assemblies with maximum surface area. The pressure applied in this damping fluid column leads to the deformation of the piezo cells during compression and extension cycles. This generates potential that can be harnessed by connecting leads to the battery. The extent of compression and extension increases with increasing speed, acceleration, deceleration, sharper turns, higher bumps, and deeper bottoms.
The power generated can be either fed back to the main vehicle battery or be fed and recharged into an auxiliary battery that can be stored for future use. That future use can be either recharging cell phones, recharging portable music players, etc. Now, Pizok can be used with a variety of damping fluids in the suspension cylinder. These damping fluids come under various categories. The most popular ones being Silcoline, Shell Advance 4.5 and a few more. So our idea has a few unique aspects to it. What are they? Well, first off, it does not involve any additional moving parts, so there is very little addition in terms of vehicular structure.
It has a low initial cost of about $4
And a reasonable payback period of about 6 months.
Concluding our idea, we have the following few aspects in mind. A Pizok assembly can generate roughly 7 to 10 volts on an average. So in a particular vehicle, 4 such assemblies will be able to generate around 28 to 40 volts, which is enough to power the 12 volt DC battery that a vehicle has.
Faster charging improves battery life.
We believe Pizok is a cost-effective solution for green energy in future cars.
P for perfection, P for Pizok.